Here are two families that need an additional bathroom. One went with the outdated approach. The other decided to go with Saniflo. Let's see the difference. Both installers arrive at the same time. The first is already worried about taking everything in, while the Saniflo installer has only 3 boxes. Inside, the outdated installer is having a hard time breaking concrete and makes a big mess. Meanwhile, our installer positions the Saniflo system, brings the drain pipes in, and connects it to the main discharge. And that's it. No jackhammer, no mess, no dust, no noise. The job is done, no surprises. At this time, the other installer finds the first unforeseen problem, and that means more mess. When finally he is done, well, that is not the end of it. Now you see? With Saniflo, you don't break the floor, nor the bank to install a bathroom. Saniflo, install a bathroom anywhere you want without major construction. That's simple.